Welcome to Canyon Animal Hospital in Laguna Beach, California. My name is Dr. Gershon Alaluf. I've been a practicing veterinarian for over 12 years. We've used a PhD on mostly dogs that have anxiety and cats that have anxiety when they come into the practice. Most animals do have anxiety when they come into a veterinary clinic. We try to run our clinic here in such a way where animals enjoy coming in, but it's very hard for example, cats that do nothing but stay indoors to come into a veterinary practice that's out of their environment and be happy. So we used to use pheromones, but now we try the putting on the PhD collar, and it has made some effect to at least we can put our hands on the kitty and listen to the heart and lungs without too much agitation and anxiety within the cat. We've had a couple of dogs that have severe anxiety. That's probably how they were raised. They were both shelter dogs, but with the collar on them as well, they are able to come in and we're able to do a thorough exam without any harm to anyone involved. We put the PhD on a Bernese Mountain Dog puppy that was 4 months old. It had a disease called panosteitis that was so severe that the dog couldn't even stand up. With all the pain relievers and anti-inflammatories we had offered, the dog was still very cage-ridden and could not move. 24 hours after the PhD was put on the dog's collar, the dog was able to get up and walk out of the cage and go outside with the tail wagging. It had enough pain that you would think the legs were broken, but they aren't. They're just, the whole bone marrow cavity is full of inflammatory cells. The PhD came in, opened up the lymphatic pathway, and let the bones drain out all the inflammatory cells, while hopefully the anti-inflammatories came in and prevented the body from making more. Even though the test case sample is very small, we had excellent results. We had a very happy dog. We have a very happy family at home with the puppy, and the puppy's up and chasing a ball again. So to me, that was a huge benefit. What the PhD does is it emits this frequency that is absorbed throughout your system. And what it really does is it causes more vibration of the red blood cells, which in turn allows them to get into the smaller capillaries and the harder to reach spaces in order to drain more, in order to keep the circulation going, in order to keep everything flowing better. For example, when you take an MRI, a reason the MRI works is because it causes water molecules to vibrate. That's how you get all your images in your soft tissues. This is using the same concept, except you're able to get better drainage, better flow, better blood pressure, and you're doing this once again without medication. There are medications that can help you do this, but there are side effects to all those medications. This is something that you're just putting on, and you're going to have no side effects to it, and you're going to reap the benefits within 10 minutes. My experience with Nano Vibrational Technology personally has been less anxiety, better sleep at night, clearer thinking, faster recovery from workouts, more positive attitude, digesting better. So for me, it's been very positive. Granted, with every single thing, there are going to be some disbelievers and think it doesn't work. But my own personal experience and people that I know have had nothing but positive effects. I am very excited to get the Nano Vibrational Technology for all my staff and for as many patients that I have in this practice.